Hello everyone, I welcome you all to Geeky Script. Today I'm going to show you how to use Visual Studio Code for C programming. So I'm going to write a hello world program on C and I'm going to show you how you can easily start working on C programming on Visual Studio Code. So do watch the video till the end. I can guarantee if you watch the video till the end, you'll be learning a lot of new things. And if you are still facing any issues in middle, you can always ask me on comment sections. And I'm also on Instagram now, so you can also follow me over there. You can ask all of your doubts over there as well. I'm definitely going to help you. So now to use Visual Studio Code for C programming, you will need a compiler. So for that, we are going to use Mingw compiler. So just simply go to favorite browser and let's download Mingw compiler. So just search over here Mingw download, hit enter. So that will show you this Mingw minimalistic GNU. Just click on that. You're going to redirect to the source page. Here you need to just simply click on this download button and you will see Mingw rightly started downloading within 5 seconds. So it is rightly downloaded. Let's minimize it and let's go to our download directory. You can see Mingw is rightly downloaded over here. Just simply double click on it to install it. So it will show you this Mingw installation wizard. Let's minimize our download directory and click on install over here. So this is where our Mingw is going to be installed. Totally fine. Click on continue and you will see it is rightly started downloading. So let's wait for a minute over here. And you can see that our Mingw is rightly downloaded. Let's just simply click on continue over here. So that will open this Mingw installation manager window over here. So let's select all these options and make it marked for installation. So select it, make it marked for installation one by one, install all the items and just go to installation and click on apply changes. So immediately it will show you this window. Just simply click on apply and you will see connecting to download and it will rightly started downloading all these different packages. Alright, so by the time our Mingw get download and get installed, let's install Visual Studio Code as well. Just go to your favorite browser, open a new tab and just simply type Visual Studio Code download. So go to their official site and you will land it over here. So here we are downloading it for Windows, so I'll just simply click on this. Thank you for downloading and our Visual Studio Code is rightly started downloading. I have already downloaded it, so I'll cancel it. I'll minimize my browser. I'll go to my download directory and here you can see that our Visual Studio Code is already downloaded over here. Just simply double click on it to start installing our Visual Studio Code. Let's minimize it and read this license agreement, accept it, click on next. So this is where our Visual Studio Code is going to be installed. Keep it default, click on next. So Visual Studio Code folder is what they're going to create. Totally fine, click on next and you need to check all these different options and click on next. So now it's ready to be installed. Click on install. So immediately you can see that it is rightly started installing our Visual Studio Code. So let's wait for some time. So we'll come back. And now you can clearly see both our Visual Studio Code and our Mingw compiler. So everything is properly installed now. So let's start with clicking finish over here. So that will launch our Visual Studio Code and let's minimize it for the time being and click on close on Mingw compiler. Alright, so we can close this as well. And now that both our Mingw compiler and Visual Studio Code is rightly installed, it's time to set environment path for Mingw. So for that, just go to search and type environ. So that will show you this edit the system environment variables. Click on that, click on environment variables and click on path over here and click on edit. So that will open this edit environment variable window. You need to paste Mingw path over here. So to get that path, go to C drive and go to Mingw folder over here. Then go inside bin folder and select this address bar, right click and copy this path. And all you need to do is now you need to click on new over here and right click and paste that path over here. Alright, now just simply click on OK, then again OK, and then again OK. And now you are done. You can start working on your C programs. So let's create a hello world program. So first create a folder and name this folder as C progs and let's open that folder, and let's select this address bar and type cmd. So that will open command prompt over here. Here just simply type code space dot, hit enter. So what it will do is it's going to open our Visual Studio Code right at this directory. Alright, you can always click on I trust the authors and all. So this is the interface of Visual Studio Code. Let's close this. You can see that our Visual Studio Code is rightly opened at cprocs folder. Let's create a new file by naming this file as prog.c, because we are writing a C program, so we are saving it as .c. Immediately it will show you this suggestion over here. So just simply click on install over here. So that's going to start installing C and C++ extension pack over here. So you can see it is rightly started installing it, right? So let's wait for a minute, and you can see that our extension is rightly installed. So let's write a hello world C program over here. So hash include stdio.h and int main method. So int main, and within curly braces let's print something on our console. So print hello world. Alright, so just end with a semicolon and return something. So let's return 0. So that's it. So this is our sample C program. Let's go to file and click on save as. So our program is rightly saved. Now we need to install one more plugin called Code Runner. So simply search over here Code Runner. Alright, so that will show you this Code Runner suggestion over here. Just click on install. So immediately it will start installing, and it is rightly installed. So now if you go back to your code, and if you just simply right click and click on run code, immediately you will see output coming on your console hello world. Alright, so this way you can easily install latest version of Mingw and Visual Studio Code, and you can set up Visual Studio Code for C programming. In my next video, I'm going to show you how to get user input and then how to use that values on your program. So for that, don't forget to subscribe our channel and hit that bell button to get notified. So that's basically all about this video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel Geeky Script along with Geeky Syntax. So here also regularly I'm posting lot of coding related videos. So if you're subscribing this channel, that's going to really motivate me to make more similar kind of videos. And also if you're interested, you can also subscribe our Geeky Script vlogging channel. And I'm also posting lot of videos on WordPress. So if you're interested in learning WordPress, then you can always watch all these different videos. So some of the videos are 1 hour 30-minute videos, some are part-wise video, and some are a compact 1 hour video. Alright, so I highly recommend you to watch all these different tutorials on our channel. And lastly, special thanks to the supporters of our channel. We are truly grateful to you guys. Supports like this really motivate us to create and improving these videos. Again, thanks a lot for being an essential part of our journey. So that's basically all about this video, friends. Thank you very much for watching this video, and God bless you all.